Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to recover deleted Facebook comments. So to do that, what you want to do is go to your profile picture right here and then just go to settings and privacy and then click on settings again and then you'll be redirected here. After that, what you want to do is go down until you see download your information and then just click on continue and then click on download or transform information and then just click on available information and then download to device, click on next, and then from here you can choose the date range in when you want to recover your comments. So I'll choose all time and then click on save and then format HTML quality, so you can choose any quality you want. I'll just choose medium. And then for the notify, just enter your email right here. And then once you're done, just click on create files. And as you can see over here, it says right here, you have pending downloads. Please cancel or wait for them to finish before you request a new download. So for now, what you want to do is just wait for a bit until Facebook recovers all of your information. So I'll see you guys in a sec. And then after a while, you will receive a notification right here that says the files you requested are ready to download. So just click on that and then just click on download right here and then it will ask you to re-enter your password. So re-enter your password and then once you're done re-entering your password, just click on continue and then it will start downloading. So once it's done, go to your folder, right click, extract all, extract, and then open the folder and then you will see all your activities in Facebook that you did in the past. So we have ads information, apps and websites, preferences, security and login information, connections, files, logged information, personal information, your Facebook activity, your activity across Facebook. And then when you scroll down to your activity across Facebook, you will see a folder right here that says comments and reactions. So when you open on that, you will see everything that you have done or commented on Facebook. So you will see a file here that says comments and then just click on it and then you will see your comments across Facebook. But since I have a new account, I haven't commented on anything, so that's why I don't have the file there. But if you are an old user and once you click on this folder, you would see a file there which contains all of your comments across Facebook. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to recover your deleted comments from Facebook.